These potatoes are literally to die for. I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make these garlic butter fingerling potatoes.
Now, we're going to cut these bad boys in half, just like this. In a medium pot, add some cold water and a generous pinch of salt. Toss in those halved potatoes and let them cook until they're medium done. You want them tender but not mushy. About 10-12 minutes should do the trick. Once they're ready, drain them and set them aside to cool down for a bit. Time for the magic to happen. Now let's melt a tablespoon of butter in a hot skillet. This is where the flavor party begins. Now add those cooked potatoes to the skillet and let's do a little ninja flip. Just swing your wrist with confidence, like this. Next up, we've got minced garlic. The aroma, oh my god, you'll smell it from a mile away. Add that right into the skillet. Now for some black pepper. Sprinkle it all over and you guessed it, time to ninja flip again. Let the garlic dance with the potatoes. We want these potatoes to turn golden brown and crispy. Just listen to that sizzle. You know it's working. Serve and garnish. Once they look like this, it's time to remove them from the heat. But wait, we can't forget the finishing touch. A sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and some freshly chopped parsley. It's like a beautiful green blanket. And there you have it, folks. Garlic butter golden potatoes. Crispy, buttery, and oh so delicious. Perfect as a side or even a snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty treats. Share your potato creations in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your buttery goodness.